Hello, and welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm your host, Alex. Today is May 4th, 2025. We're looking at an interesting ICLR conference paper today titled Sadeed, Advancing Arabic Diacritization Through Small Language Model, published just a few days ago on April 30th. This paper introduces Sadeed, a new approach using a compact model fine-tuned on high-quality data to tackle the complex task of Arabic diacritization, or tashkīl. Okay, so to really illustrate this complexity, the authors provide a table early on. It shows the same base Arabic word, qal, but with different diacritics applied. And you can see, this completely changes the pronunciation, the part of speech, even the English translation, shifting from turn to heart, for example. It really drives home how crucial these small marks are for meaning, and why this is such a challenging NLP task. Alright, building on that, the authors also highlight issues with existing benchmarks, things like data overlap and a lack of genre diversity. So they introduced their own, Sadeed 25. This figure here breaks down the category statistics for that new benchmark. You can see it's quite diverse, covering everything from news and literature to lifestyle, technology, and religion. This variety is crucial for a more robust evaluation of diacritization models. Okay, so after creating that diverse benchmark, this next figure actually shows how they built the Sadeed model itself. It illustrates their pipeline. Well, they start with data from Tashkīl and ATB, filter and pre-process it rigorously, then take the compact KUW AIN 1.5B model and perform supervised fine-tuning on this high-quality data. The result is the final Sadeed model, which is key to their approach of using a smaller, focused model. Right, so speaking of data quality, this table really underscores the issues with existing benchmarks they mentioned earlier. It compares the Abad training set and the Fidel test set. Look at the overlap. Nearly 35% of the Fidel test samples are identical to samples in the Abad training data, and over 68% are highly similar. This really highlights the data leakage problem they aim to solve with Sadeed 25. Okay, so after identifying those data leakage issues, this table then compares different models on the Fidel benchmark, showing both the original and a corrected version. It uses metrics like word error rate and diacritic error rate with and without case endings. Well, importantly, on the corrected Fidel data, Sadeed achieves a state-of-the-art word error rate of 2.6286 excluding case endings, demonstrating its strong performance once that overlap problem is better addressed. Alright, so moving to the new Sadeed 25 benchmark, this table lays out the performance comparison. It uses word error rate and diacritic error rate, and also shows hallucination scores. Okay, Sadeed significantly outperforms other open-source models, achieving a competitive WER of 9.9245 without case endings. While not beating top proprietary models like Claude, it holds its own, although hallucinations contribute noticeably to its error rate, as seen in that last column. Now, digging into that hallucination issue we just saw, this table provides some concrete examples. It shows the original Arabic text, then Sadeed's initial output, where you can see errors like incorrect case endings or inserted foreign words highlighted in red. Okay, and then it shows the final output after their post-processing step, which corrects these hallucinations, significantly improving the accuracy and readability of the diacritized text. So that post-processing step really does help clean up those hallucinations we saw. Alright, wrapping up. This work really drives home the effectiveness of fine-tuning compact models like Sadeed on carefully curated data. And importantly, it gives us the new Sadeed 25 benchmark, pushing for more robust evaluation in Arabic NLP. Well, that's our roundup for today. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time.